Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can video call on Telegram and laptop. So I'm gonna be showing you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Telegram app on your laptop, log in, and then just choose the person you want to video call to. So let me just choose this person, and over here you'll be having options. Just choose this option, and then you'll be having a start video call or start call option. So as you want to have a video call, just press on video call. Thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.